This video shows you how to create your own QR code using QR Code Monkey. First of all, go to www.qrcode-monkey.com and you will see this page. The first thing to do is enter your URL. Then you can set the colour of your QR code, which can either be a single colour, a colour gradient, or a custom eye colour. Then you can select a logo image. You have a library of images to choose from, like Facebook or YouTube, or you can upload your own image. Then we come down to the custom design options, where you can customize the body shape, iframe shape and eyeball shape. So we'll select these three options. And then finally, you just need to select the size of your QR code, whether you want it low quality or high quality. And then create your QR code. And there you are, your own customized QR code. You can download this in either PNG, SVG, PDF or EPS formats. But do note that the custom design options are not available in PDF and EPS formats.